Wala talaga nga namang hahangaan mo itong si Tyrese Haliburton sa kanyang interview na ito. Well, after ng Game 3 win neto nila Tyrese Haliburton at ng Indiana Pacers walk-off interview kung saan tinanong siya kung paano nga daw nila nagawa itong comeback na ito pagpasok ng fourth quarter, kung saan sinabi ni Tyrese Haliburton na it's a team effort. Ito, pakinggan natin ang kanyang pag-credit sa kanyang mga teammate.
Game in 25 years in this building. Maybe not the crazy comebacks you've had in the past, but a comeback nonetheless. How'd you do it?
So many different guys chipped in. This guy behind me, Ben Matthew, was amazing off the bench tonight. He just stuck with it. Pascal was here to start the game, and we just had guys make plays after plays. Our bench was amazing. TJ, Obi, it's a big win for us.
At ang matanong naman siya about dito kay Benedict Mathurin na nag-struggle sa first 2 games, then ngayon ay pumatok in Game 3, ay sinabi ni Tyrese Haliburton ay hindi lang daw siya ang struggle. Lahat daw sila ay struggling sa paglalaro. At hindi nga lang daw itong kanyang nag-iisang teammate na si Mathurin. Sabi niya rin na talaga nga namang credit sa kanya for putting in the work kahit struggling siya sa NBA Finals na ito.
Ben had some challenging moments the first 2 games. What was specifically different about him tonight?
Well, it's not just him. All of us are having challenges. None of us have really played well. But I think he's just doing a great job keeping his head down, keep working. Man, those are big-time minutes, and we really missed him in our last playoff run. So it's big that he's here with us now.
Then sa last question ay about naman kay SGA, kung saan they did a great job nga daw dito kay SGA para pigilan siya. At ang naging sagot naman dyan ay Tyrese Haliburton, abay sinubukan lang naman daw nila na slow down etong si SGA dahil nga daw na isang magaling na player siya. Pakinggan natin to.
That he's here with us now.
You guys locked in on Shea defensively in a way we hadn't seen yet. What went into that?
Trying to make it as tough as you can. He's such a tough cover. Trying to show multiple bodies. Trying to show help. Doing the best we can.
I mentioned the first.
So talaga nga naman dito sa interview ni Tyrese Haliburton ay kanyang pinakita nga ang kanyang leadership qualities dito nga sa kanyang team na Indiana Pacers, kung saan sinabi niya nung una ay team effort ang kanilang panalang nito despite him having a great game at malaking tulong nga dito sa Indiana Pacers with his double-double performance. And then ang matanong naman patungkol sa kanyang teammate na struggling, abay hindi niya nga ito iniwan sa ere or tinrow under the bus. Kanyang sinabi na lahat daw sila ay struggling, hindi lamang siya, but still credits to him for putting in the work kahit nahihirapan siya sa paglalaro this finals. At sa panghuli ay patungkol naman sa kanyang kalaban, kung saan hindi niya ito dinisrespect kung hindi binigyang credit niya pa nga rin. At talagang sinubukan nga lang daw nila siyang pahirapan nang dahil isa siyang magaling na player. So definitely kahanga-hanga nga itong naging interview ni Tyrese after their Game 3 win.